How's it going, Wavve Boating community? Adam here, and today I'm going to show you how to import and export routes. And the method we use here is a GPX file. So this is a very common standard GPS file format. So if you want, let's say you've got a planned route that you've used in your chart plotter that you want to bring into Wavve, or you've used in any other nav app or planning tool, you really like it, you want to make sure you get it into Wavve. I'm going to show you can import that in. And vice versa, if there is a route in Wavve that you want to export, maybe you like our auto routing feature in the route that it's planned for you and you want to load that into your chart plotter, well, you can export, and you're going to export as a GPX file, and your chart plotter will be able to read that. Okay, so let's start with importing first. What I'm going to do is head to the Me tab, and now I'm in my like all the content related to me. I'm going to head up to the top right to the settings menu. And see the option right there is import route. So then I'm going to be brought to this menu. I'm going to select from files, and this is where you can pull the files off your phone, GPX. And the little trick here is maybe you're seeing a whole bunch of files here. If you search by GPX, it will help bring up all the GPX files on your phone that you can then import. So I'm going to pick one of these here. You can see it's selected that file. Yep, recording from 08/16/2025. Yep, that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to hit import. Okay, now I've got this prompt, recording saved. I know everything's gone okay. So then you can see that right there. So now in my Me tab, I see today there's this recording. That's the one that I just imported, is now in Wavve for me to use. Let's now export. Okay, so I've got these routes to Camelot that I've plotted out in Wavve. I really like them. I want to export that and use it in another device. Or maybe my friend isn't on Wavve, you know, and they're using some old school chart plotter. Well, you can export the route for them so they can follow along. So I'm going to head to that route, get my summary view here, head down to the three dots. This is your More menu, and you'll see the option to export there. Okay, so I'm going to tap that. And then you've got all these options. You could text it to someone. You could send it via mail. You can save it to your files. Whatever way you need to transfer this file, you've got that basic menu there to actually execute on that. And that's how you can export. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team anytime at community@wavveboating.com. Check out our other playlist tutorial videos. We hope you find them really helpful, and we hope you have a wonderful day on the water.